Hi everybody, this week we are making 3 ingredient smoothies, just using 3 ingredients, and they're healthy and delicious. This is my Green Goddess smoothie and it's really easy to make, and it's great for kids who don't like their greens, and it's great for husbands who don't like their spinach. So it's really easy and it's tasty. So I've got some mango here, and mango's in season. So I've frozen my mango, which makes it extra creamy. I've got a large handful of baby spinach leaves. I've got some coconut water, you can even use water, and I've got 2 generous spoonfuls of Healthy Chef protein. I'm using Healthy Chef WPI here, but you can use Healthy Chef vanilla, organic pea, and body shaping protein as well. Now all we need to do is blend. This is amazing. This looks fantastic. Look at this. Creamy, healthy, delicious, full of greens, full of protein, full of antioxidants and vitamin C. My lovely Green Goddess smoothie. Enjoy, guys.